In this tutorial, I will show you how to create AI professional video with using just text. You don't need to upload any image. Open Google, search VideoGen. Click on the first link. Then click to join now. Sign up with email and use strong password. After sign up you will see an interface like that. Click on Generate a Video. You can see 3 options under New Video. Reduce video length. And write 1-line prompt and describe your video tab. I wrote, make a video of smartphone manufacturing using AI. Writing style, professional. Then click on Generate Script. After few seconds the prompt will appear on the left side and video on the right side. Click on Generate.
Artificial intelligence in smartphone manufacturing has revolutionized growing demand for smartphones while reducing costs and minimizing errors. This video showcases the cutting-edge technology and innovation driving the future of smartphone manufacturing.
You can change the voice, you can add the music also. You can also download it. Stay connected for more new tutorials.